In this session, we are going to understand on how and what are the different processes on how we can remove duplicates from our data. When it comes to duplicate data, it can occur out of human error or technical error, or possibly that the error may not be present at all. Whether the data has been used for some other purposes, then also it could be a duplicate data. But certain duplicate data which are actually duplicates can increase the burden when it is coming to cleaning our data. So what we need to understand here is that we need to highlight them before removing them so that it is easy for us to understand on what are we trying to remove exactly. So let us try to look at some of the ways on how we can try to remove duplicate data. So as we said, the first step is to highlight the data. In order to highlight, again, we are going to follow these steps, wherein we need to first select the cells that we want to check for duplicates. The next part is to go to home, and then you have the conditional formatting box, dialog box, which is actually going to highlight the cell rules according to my choice of colors that I want to select. So select that and you can click on OK. Now once the data has been deleted, it is easy for me to locate the data and manually try to delete the cells or columns. And that is again easy for data which is again smaller compared to larger data. So for larger data, what happens is you can use the remove duplicates function which is present in the data tab. So you can go to the data tab and select remove duplicates, and then basically you will be given a dialog box from where you are supposed to check or uncheck the columns from where you want to actually remove your data. After that, it is going to display on the number of data that has been removed and how many unique entries are left. Again, another feature on how you can remove duplicate data is with the unique function. The unique function again belongs to Excels which are about 2021. The syntax is again pretty simple, is only to add a unique. It will give, you are supposed to provide it with an array from where you are supposed to remove the data, the column, and also the exactly one feature. This is going to again return back an array to you, so you are supposed to change it into an array function.